What if improving your focus and memory was less about buying another supplement and more about growing the right plants at home? For thousands of years, certain herbs have been associated with concentration, mental clarity, and remembrance. And now, modern science is beginning to investigate why. Today we're exploring 5 fascinating herbs that may help support memory and focus, while also being genuinely useful, beautiful plants to grow at home. And we'll start with one that might already be sitting in your kitchen. Chapter 1. Sage, the ancient memory herb. Believe it or not, one of the most researched herbs for memory might already be in your kitchen cupboard. Sage. Several studies have linked sage with improvements in attention, recall, and mental clarity, in some cases within just hours of use. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to grow at home. Before we even talk about the science, here's one of the simplest traditional ways people use sage. Fresh sage tea. Just a few leaves steeped in hot water creates a deeply aromatic herbal drink that people have used for centuries to support focus and mental sharpness. You can also finely chop fresh sage into eggs, roast vegetables with it, or make the dangerously delicious combination of sage and brown butter over pasta. Now, why might it actually work? Researchers believe sage may help slow the breakdown of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter strongly connected with memory and learning. In other words, it may help the brain maintain stronger communication between nerve cells. And honestly, there's something satisfying about the fact that one of the most promising herbs for cognition is also one of the oldest kitchen herbs in human history. Growing it is refreshingly simple. Sage loves sunlight, well-draining soil, and slightly dry conditions. In fact, most people overwater it. A terracotta pot near a sunny window is almost perfect. Let the soil dry slightly between waterings, harvest regularly, and the plant actually becomes fuller over time. Not bad for a plant people were calling the savior herb hundreds of years ago. But while sage feels grounding and earthy, our next herb feels bright, sharp, and almost electrically alive. Chapter 2. Rosemary, the herb of remembrance. For centuries, rosemary has been associated with memory so strongly that Shakespeare wrote, "There's rosemary, that's for remembrance." In ancient Greek, students supposedly wore rosemary garlands while studying for exams. Now, whether that improved their grades is unclear. But modern researchers have found some surprisingly interesting things about this plant. Several studies suggest rosemary aroma may support alertness, focus, and mental performance. One of the compounds researchers are especially interested in is called 1,8-cineol. In some experiments, simply inhaling rosemary aroma correlated with better speed and accuracy on memory-related tasks. Think about that. A scent potentially affecting cognition. Before we get deeper into the science, though, here's one of the easiest ways to actually use rosemary day to day. Keep the plant near your workspace. When your concentration starts fading, gently rub the leaves between your fingers and breathe in the aroma deeply. Simple. Ancient herbal practice meets modern desk life. Rosemary tea is also beautiful. Just steep a fresh sprig in hot water with lemon or honey, and you get this wonderfully warming, resinous flavor that feels both calming and invigorating at the same time. And rosemary-infused olive oil is one of those things that instantly makes ordinary cooking feel expensive. Now, if you want to grow it indoors, there's one thing rosemary absolutely demands: sun. Lots of it. A bright sunny window is essential, and excellent drainage matters just as much. Rosemary hates sitting in wet soil. Really hates it. But once you understand that, it's surprisingly hardy and rewarding to grow. And there's something special about brushing past a rosemary plant and catching that scent unexpectedly during the day. It feels awakening somehow. Now, if rosemary works quickly through aroma and stimulation, our next herb is much more patient. Chapter 3. Bacopa monnieri, Ayurveda's long-game brain herb. This small creeping herb has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. It's called Bacopa monnieri, also known as Brahmi. And unlike rosemary, Bacopa isn't usually associated with an immediate burst of alertness. This is more of a long-game herb. Traditionally, it was used to support learning, concentration, and memory over time. And modern research on Bacopa is genuinely intriguing. Several studies suggest that consistent use across weeks may help improve certain aspects of memory and recall. The compounds believed to be responsible are called bacchicides. Researchers think these compounds may help support communication between brain cells while also providing antioxidant effects. But before we get lost in terminology, here's how people traditionally use the plant itself. Fresh Bacopa tea. Now, fair warning here. It's bitter. Very bitter. Most people mix it with honey, peppermint, or fruit smoothies to soften the taste. But there's something strangely appealing about these old medicinal herbs that haven't been engineered to taste like candy. Bacopa feels ancient in the best possible way, and growing it is surprisingly easy once you understand its personality. Unlike rosemary and sage, Bacopa loves moisture. Consistently moist soil, warmth, humidity. A sunny bathroom window can actually work beautifully. It also propagates incredibly easily from cuttings. Place small stems in water, wait for roots to form, and suddenly you've got more Bacopa plants. It's a very generous grower, and appropriately enough for a herb associated with patience and long-term mental clarity. It rewards consistency more than intensity. Now from a creeping Ayurvedic herb to one of the oldest surviving tree species on Earth. Chapter 4, Ginkgo biloba, the living fossil. Ginkgo biloba is extraordinary. This tree belongs to a lineage dating back more than 200 million years. It existed long before humans, long before mammals, even before flowering plants became dominant. It's often called a living fossil because it's the last surviving member of an ancient branch of tree evolution. And somehow it endured. Some ginkgo trees have lived for over 1,000 years. Even more astonishingly, several trees near Hiroshima survived the atomic blast and later continued growing. That resilience alone makes the tree unforgettable. But ginkgo also has a long history in traditional Chinese medicine, particularly in relation to circulation and cognitive health. Modern studies on ginkgo have produced mixed results overall, but some suggest it may help support memory and cognition in certain people, especially older adults experiencing mild cognitive decline. Researchers believe part of its potential effect may come from improved blood flow and antioxidant activity. Now, unlike the other plants on this list, ginkgo isn't really a kitchen herb, but dwarf varieties can absolutely be grown in large containers or patios. And honestly, even if you never used it medicinally, it would still be worth growing. Its fan-shaped leaves turn this incredible glowing gold in autumn. It's one of the few plants that feels almost mythological when you stand beneath it. And now, for one final herb that almost anyone can grow successfully. Chapter 5, Peppermint, the fast focus bonus. Peppermint may be the easiest herb on this entire list, and possibly the most instantly refreshing. Studies suggest peppermint aroma may temporarily improve alertness, energy, and focus, which makes perfect sense the moment you smell it. Fresh peppermint tea is incredibly simple. A handful of leaves, hot water, a few minutes to steep. That's it. You can also add sprigs to cold water during summer, or keep the plant near your workspace and crush a leaf between your fingers whenever your brain starts slowing down. And growing peppermint is wonderfully easy. In fact, the main challenge is usually stopping it from taking over everything. That's why containers are ideal. Give it moist soil, bright indirect light, and regular harvesting. It will reward you enthusiastically. Very enthusiastically. So there they are. 5 fascinating plants connected through memory, focus, alertness, and centuries of human use. Some stimulating, some grounding, some ancient, some surprisingly ordinary. But together they remind us that plants have always been more than decoration. They are our friends. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the Herbal Discovery for more explorations into useful, beautiful, and fascinating plants. And let me know in the comments, which of these herbs would you most like to grow first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.